Hey, it's Gabriel Bartley. I have the regular show Slack Pack DVD. I've had this for quite a while now. I'm going to show you the ringtone video. One moment, I'm just going to turn up the volume. Wait. Okay, I'm about to play it right now.
Dude, you know what we should do?
What?
We should write a hit song.
Dude, we should totally write a hit song.
Yeah, we should! Okay, check it out. Just do what I do and watch the hit song come rolling in.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Ping, 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 beep, 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 boop. What are you doing?
Sorry, Vincent. We were trying to write a hit song.
What?
We were trying to...
I heard what you said. There is no way you two could ever write a hit song. No, you couldn't. I heard some of whatever it was you were doing when I walked up, and it definitely wasn't a hit song.
Just because you think we can't do it doesn't mean we can't.
Hey, Pops.
Yes?
Can Mordecai and Rigby write a hit song?
They could write a song.
Yeah, but a hit song?
Oh, no.
Muscle Man?
Yeah, right.
Skip.
Oh, yeah? We'll show you. Yo, are you the owner of this record company?
Yes.
Well, check this out. Okay, we're leaving. Okay, we can't write a hit song.
Are you finished now?
Yes.
Good. Now get back to work or you're both fired!
Aw, man.
Sorry about that.
I guess we're not good enough to write a hit song.
Yeah. But I bet we're good enough to come up with an awesome ringtone.
Dude, we're totally good enough to come up with an awesome ringtone.
Yeah, we are. Ringtone, pick up your phone.
Ringtone, pick up your phone.
Ringtone, pick up the phone.
Ringtone, pick up your phone. Ringtone, pick up the phone. Ting, 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 beep, 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 boop. Pick up your telephone because you hear a ringtone.
Whoa!
Get back to work!
Regular show. Monday nights at 8:15, 7:15 Central. Only on Cartoon Network.